Hello, class 11th. We have started with statistics and we were doing the meaning of statistics. There are two different concepts. One is in the plural sense and the other is in the singular sense. In the last video, we have discussed already what does statistics as plurals in plural sense means. It simply means collection of numerical data. But one single information or numerical value will not form statistics. It has to be an aggregate of data and should be influenced by a multiplicity of factors. So that's about plural sense. Now, in singular sense, statistics means the methods of dealing with the numerical data. The numerical data that you get, how do you deal with it? How do you analyze and interpret and come to conclusions? So that's what basically statistics is about. It is about comparisons, and with the help of those comparisons, analysis and interpretations, the decision makings are done. So let us study what does statistics in singular sense means. It's concerned with collection of data and then the data is presented. Now, when you collect data, say you are carrying out a survey and you have collected the data, you have taken the age, gender, income, etc. Now, unless and until you segregate them and you put them up in the form of either a chart or a graph, it will not make any sense. Random numbers will not make any sense. So it has to be presented either in the form of charts, tables, or in the form of graphs. So that's called as presentation. Now, after presenting the data, you need to analyze the data. And to analyze data, there are different tools of statistics, such as the measures of central tendency, that is mean, median, mode, dispersion, correlation. So with the help of these tools, the statistical tools that are there, the tools are like measures of central tendency, then you have dispersion, correlation. So with the help of these such instruments or tools of statistics, the data is analyzed. And after the analysis is done, now, on the basis of the information that you get from these tools, it is to be interpreted. The answers or the results that you get from these tools, that is to be interpreted, and the interpretation needs skill, knowledge and experience, ability of the people to judge and to come to proper conclusions with the help of these tools. So this is what statistic in singular sense is about. I hope this is clear to you. Please go through your book, and if there's anything you have not understood, do ask. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thank you.